Hello people, welcome back to this channel, and today we will talk about Instagram application, and I'm going to show you the way how you can turn off the read receipt on Instagram. So read receipt is the information that will be received by the sender whenever the message that they send is already read by us or by everyone who received the message. And if you want that the sender of the message that send you a message doesn't know that you already read the message, so it means that you need to turn off those read receipt. So you just need to take a look on this button feature facility profile right away, click this three straight line and go click settings and privacy. And now you just need to go scrolling down until you find who others can interact with you in the message and story replies. And there will be a second box called who can see that you're online. Go click show read receipt and then just turn off this read receipt by go click this button so that the color is gonna change. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you found this video is really helpful for you, and let's meet again into other tutorial.